It's your girl Kemi, aka StyledByKemi, and welcome back to my channel. If you are tuned in, well, first, welcome back. It's been a minute, okay, guys? Like, yeah, I know the last time I shot something was probably the beginning of last month. It's November now, and just so y'all know, our girl has been super busy, but I am back on here, and I'm excited for today's video because it's another haul. If you are first time and you're new here, I am a personal stylist and I just love everything fashion, and my goal is to help women define their true authentic style. So today is a haul from a very special place that I've actually been to when I was in New York in May of this year. It's a store called Uniqlo, and wait, let me see if I'm saying it right. Hold on. Uniqlo, Uniqlo. That's the spelling. But so I went into the store and I actually did a mini try on in their store because I wanted to check it out, because I've actually seen their store. I've seen people buy things from there, and I'm just like, what's this interesting store that's everyone is kind of hyping a little bit? So I decided, let me order some stuff for fall from Uniqlo, because I actually did get some stuff when I was in New York and I absolutely loved everything I got. The store is pretty decent, the quality is really good, and their prices are pretty affordable. So I'm like, alright, it's fall, let me see what I can find from there. So today's video is all about what I got. Alright, so first up, I'm actually wearing what I got, and it's a graphic Mickey Mouse t-shirt. I saw this on the website, and I'm all about basics, and that's really what I shop for in the fall. Some statement pieces here and there, but I really like to stock up on basic. And I saw this cute Mickey Mouse shirt. I've actually always wanted one. So when I saw this, and they had like a lot of options. So when I saw this, I was like, yes. And it's very cute. It's super comfortable. And I ordered a size large because I like my graphic t-shirts to not be really fitted, because I like to like tuck mine in and have them a little like dangling and things like that. But the price for the shirt is actually $14.90, and that's not bad considering Zara also has a lot of graphic t-shirts this season, but their starting price is probably like $20 and up. So I thought this was good, and also it's super soft and I absolutely love it. Also, I got another basic, which is a sweatshirt. I'm really big on sweatshirt this season because they're comfortable, but they're also great for layering. And this is another Mickey Mouse or theme type t-shirt. So it has Mickey Mouse, Goofy, Donald, Mickey, all of the whole crew. And I also love the details on the arm right here. How much was this one? I got a size large as well. This is $29.90, and honestly guys, I don't think it's bad at all. It's really great, it's really soft, and I just love, like, it's basic, but you can actually do so much with it. I actually really love this one. Another item that I got two bottoms, and one of them I was actually shocked. Online does not do it any justice, let me tell y'all that. So don't be fooled by a picture. Just be brave a little and just order some of the stuff, honestly. But I got these pants. It's like it's pants, but it also reminds me of like sweatpants, but like super dressy. When I tell you guys, I feel like this is like the most underrated item on there. Like, these pants are super cute. They're very comfortable. When I tell you, you would think these are like $300. Like, that's how it feels. It feels amazing. I looked at the sizing on there. Normally in pants, at other places I would get a large, but I read the reviews thoroughly, and a lot of people said that it is sized big. So I decided to get a medium, and I'm so happy that I did because it fits perfectly. This is a cream color, and it also comes with the waist band right here. And this is the back, but it's like a wide leg, and it's just like super cute. The price for this one is $39.90. Guys, $39.90. That's, y'all, That's really good. Like, you already see it styled in the video, left, right, but guys, this like, it's very good for this season. Like, you can layer, but come springtime, like, this would be a piece that I am going to rock heavily because it feels and looks that great on me. Also, another basic that I got is a cardigan. I wanted to check this one out. This one I probably might return because for this season, I really like long cardigans. And this, although this one is like super chunky, which is really good, I wanted it a bit longer. But if you don't care about long cardigans and you are looking for a chunky cardigan, I recommend getting this one. I got this in a golden yellow color. I just love that color on my skin tone, but it feels really great. I got a size medium and it's slightly fitted large, so medium is pretty good. And this again is $39.90. Guys, most cardigans that I've been looking at this season have been probably like $50 and up, and I think for the quality and the fit and just how thick this is, $39.90 is like a steal. So if you're looking for a cardigan this season, definitely get you one. They also have this in other colors, black, gray, and I think a red or something, but everything is linked in my description box if you're looking to buy any of these pieces, but this is a really, really great piece. Alright, so I didn't get that much pieces, so I only have 2 items. First of all, this, actually I have 3 more items, but first I have this, what is it called? This flannel t-shirt dress. I really, really like this. I like that it's super long and it's pretty thick, so it's really great for the fall and winter time. I would probably wear this honestly as a jacket. I wouldn't wear it as necessarily a dress, but I might, I don't know, I'll play around with it, but I just love the comfort and feel of this. I got a medium and the price is $39.90. Not bad at all, guys. That's actually a really good price point because, again, you know, the video doesn't do it justice, but I'm telling you guys, as a shopaholic, the quality on this is really, really good. And then I also got a personal fave that I always like to shop at from different stores, and that's a pair of jeans. That's a really good test that I use to determine if I'm really going to shop at a store or not, is their jeans, because I love jeans. So I saw these, I think they're like wide cut jeans, and I really, really, really wanted to love this, but unfortunately the fit was not that great. However, one of the things I really admire about Uniqlo is that they offer you alterations for free, which is really, really good. So if you go on the site and if you go and select the jeans that you want or any item, and if you want to alter it, they give you that opportunity, and I think that's actually pretty bomb. And again, it's free, but I really thought I would like these jeans. They actually feel really good. It's just that the fitting wasn't what I thought it would be, because on the model obviously it looked different, but I thought I could make it work, but it did not work out this time. And last but not least, I think this is one of like my top 3 favorite items, is another cardigan, and I think this one was the most priciest, but for its price, honestly, it's so worth it, because trying it on, it feels really great. But it's like a gray long cardigan. Like, it's a very like minimalistic cardigan, and when I tell you guys, like, it feels so good. This is actually a size small, but it fits like, you know, a medium or large, so that's something to think about. Also, the price is $49.90, which is not bad, because honestly, like I said, cardigans are going for $50 and up, and I think for this price point is not bad. I'm gonna consider getting it in another shade because I just love the fit, and when I wore it, as you see in this video, like, it really looks really, really great. But yeah, that's it. As far as my thoughts on shopping at Uniqlo, will I shop there again? Heck yeah, like, especially for basics. And if you're an anime lover or Disney lover or stuff like that, they have so many cool graphic stuff. I think you guys should check them out. As far as the fitting, they're actually pretty true to size. But again, when you shop at any store, just make sure that you are looking and reading all the reviews so you know. The only downside I would say about this store is that if you order online, you cannot return it to the store because, I mean, you can, but you're only going to get store credit, which sucks. So you have to actually pay to ship it back, and they're going to deduct that from the cost of your order, which sucks. But I mean, I've seen other stores do it, so it's not a really big deal. Just make sure you're not spending like 20 something dollars on shipping or something. But other than that, I would shop there again. They have great items. They have great the alteration feature, and overall I think they're really slept on. So guys, if you're looking for the perfect basic for this fall and winter, they have other stuff too. They had coats and stuff, but I already have coats. I'm not looking for coats, but definitely check them out. But guys, thank you so much for tuning in to this video. If you are new here, please be able to I said please be able to, y'all, I'm hungry. Please be sure to subscribe and also hit the notification button. I'm gonna be as active on here as I can be. And also don't forget to like and share this video with your homegirl, your family, your sister, your brother. But thank you guys so much for tuning into this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.